Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin and I do beauty type videos, cleaning, organizing videos. I am 26 weeks pregnant. I'll be 27 weeks pregnant on Tuesday, so I'll have some baby videos thrown in there, like pregnancy updates and baby hauls and stuff like that. So if those sound of interest to you, I hope you guys stick around. So today we're doing a beauty video, and I got requested on one of my really old videos of my most used brushes or most loved brushes video. I can put that in the iCards or link it. I can link it below too, because sometimes when you click the one in the iCards it takes you to that video right away. So anyway, I can link it below for sure. But someone requested that I use these Instapop, these Real Techniques Instapop eyeshadow brushes, and so I did a look using them today. I did add a couple other brushes in just because I kind of feel like you always need like a third brush, but the third brush that I did use is really inexpensive. The third brush I used is this Essence Eye Blender brush, so I mean really together to really make this eye look with the shadows and stuff. These are basically the three brushes I used. I did use a brush to kind of set down my eye primer, but that's not really like a necessary step. You can always skip that step if you want, or you could use this brush, this Essence brush, to do that if you want. That's what I should have done. But yeah, so I did use mostly just these two, and then I just added this one in, but this one is super affordable. It's like $1 or something. So I feel like brushes work well in sets of 3 for me personally. So yeah, this is the tutorial that or the video that I filmed today using those brushes, and this is the look that I came up with. So super typical Caitlin look here of a warm eye and all that kind of stuff. So I took you through the eye look and lashes and lips, and skipped through the face part, so it's just the basic eye look and lashes and lips. So if you want to see how I got this, then I hope you keep watching. Alright guys, let's get into this eye look. Let me just loosely clip back my hair so I don't have to recurl it as bad. I feel like I have to do my hair so that I could look kind of professional in these videos, even though I'm still in my PJs, so just ignore what's happening up here. So the first product we always start with is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. To set the primer, I'm just going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is in the color 120, because we're just going to use this to kind of set it. This isn't a translucent powder. This has some color to it. I'm just taking my IT Cosmetics concealer brush, the big fluffy one. I love using this brush for powder. It's so nice. So I'm sure there may be, this brush is kind of ridiculous price, but I'm sure there may be cheaper options out there somewhere. But if not, I think this brush is worth it. So this powder does have some color to it, but we're just going to use it to set down the primer and kind of use it as like a little bit of a transition type thing on the eye, because we're just going to be using 3 shadows today. And then going in with my Ulta Cream Shadow and Liner in the color Rosy Cheeks. This thing is almost gone. Like, I've almost used this whole entire thing up. And I'm just taking this on the lid area. I'm really interested in those CoverGirl cream eyeshadows that they came out with, the CoverGirl True Naked Queen or something. I thought those look really intriguing to me. So let me know if you've tried them and you like them. I'm also taking this on my lower lash line. And like in the waterline area. But yeah, let me know if you've tried them and you like them, or you want it, because they actually look of interest to me. Just drinking my breakfast. Does anyone else like drinking their breakfast more than eating it? Sometimes like chewing food just sounds like too much work. Alright, and then we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Heat, and we're going to use the bigger Real Techniques, the one that's like a little bit bigger in shape brush, and we're going to go in the color Lumbar, or Lumbry. I think it's Lumbry. I don't know why I always, so I think it's the dyslexia. I always just read things how I initially see them, and it's not even close. And we're just going to take that and pat that over that cream shadow and up in the crease area a little bit, kind of basically all over the lid pretty much, even like where the shadow's not. I'm just going to kind of use this brush to blend it into the crease. These brushes are really nice if you're looking for like minimal brushes to get, because these are really multi-purpose brushes with just how they're shaped. I mean, you can turn the brush and really get into the crease area there and all that kind of stuff. So I do enjoy these, and I did think about like getting some other Real Techniques brushes, but just because they're actually on sale at Ulta right now, they're like 20% off, but I don't know, it's just, it's so, you think about life so differently when you have a baby on the way. You really think, me personally, I have more thoughtful thoughts about what I'm purchasing, and I'm more thoughtful about everything now. Plus I'm going to be a stay-at-home mom here in a couple of months, so you know, I won't be making my own money, which might be hard because I'm used to just being able to go out and get whatever I want. So it'll be a change for sure. You'll probably see a lot of product repeats from me. Alright, and then I'm just turning this brush so that the edge of it right here, and I'm dipping it into that lumbar color, lumbry color, whatever that color is, and running that under the lower lash line all the way across. You could totally leave it like that if you want to just do like a one shadow look with an easy cream eyeshadow, but I'll add a little bit of a deeper color in there. And I'm just going to take the smaller Real Techniques Instapop brush. Oh, this one is called the crease brush. The first brush I used is called the, I don't know what this one is called, shade brush. Okay, these do have names. So I'm using the crease brush now, which is the smaller one. It's pretty much the same shape, it's just smaller. But I'm going into Dirty Talk, and this one is, definitely, if you're using this palette along with me, definitely tap your brush when you use that one, because that one is very, like one of those very soft shadows. It's like, almost feels wet, but I really like it. This is such a typical look of me to do like these warm pinky shades, these warm tones. This is like so typical Caitlin right here. Alright, and then just turning the brush so that that pointy side, so that the black part is facing you of the brush. Does that make sense? And we're just going to take that on the very outer portion of the lower lash line. And if you feel like you may have lost a little bit of that lighter pink shade, you can, which I'm going to go back in with, I'm just going to kind of go back in there. I can get away with just using 2 brushes, but sometimes adding a 3rd brush in there really helps. So I'm going to be using this Essence, it's a eye blender blending brush, and I'm going to take the color Ounce and I'm just going to put this as my brow bone color and kind of using it to blend out the line from the other shadows there. I think I'm going to take this in the inner tear duct area here too. Just using the same brush. Trying to keep the brushes as minimal as possible. I am back to put on lashes and some lips with you guys. I kept the rest of the face really simple. I'm not even wearing blush, I'm just wearing bronzer. Just because I figured I'll just keep the rest of the face pretty simple. But let's go ahead and do the lashes. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. Love this stuff. I feel like it makes a huge difference. And I just frame the top lashes. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush mascara. I do like this, but I think it needs to dry out just a tiny bit more. You know, like one of those mascaras that gets better with age. I think this is one of those for sure. But I do like it. I may like the original Voluminous a little bit better than this one though. I don't know if it's just because the brush or I'm not sure. But I do like it. Just needs to get a little dry, which it is. Finally getting there. And then I just take just a tiny bit on that lower lash line just to define it a little. So that's one coat, and this is coat number 2. Coat number 2 definitely adds just more thickness to the lashes, I guess. So, I don't know. It's good. I like it. Do you ever feel like one eye has longer lashes than the other eye? I feel like my left eye has longer lashes than my right eye. Alright, there is the eyes. Alright, so for lips we're going to use this Revlon Cushion Lip Tint in 260. And this is the red one. I love this color, but he's so pretty. I'm not even going to use liner or anything with this bad boy. We're just going to put it on. I wanted that to be like as blotted down as possible because I have a healing sore on my upper lip, so I'm trying not to draw attention to it, but you know. Okay, let's see how I hear if we may need to recurl a couple pieces, but yeah, this is the finished look. Alright guys, here's the finished look with my hair fixed and jewelry on, and I have a dress on. Look at my bump. Look at that baby. She's so cute. She's so cute. I love her. She's sleeping. I think she hasn't moved in a little bit, so I think she's resting. So anyway, I just wanted to come back and show you guys all that because I feel like it makes a difference when all that is kind of put together and done. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye.